Um,
Oh, you're not leaving? Okay, yay.
so, hey guys.
What's wrong?
Today I'm going to be playing Castle.
Please see. There.
It's a new game that I found out.
I'm going to the door.
No, Hannah, not there, not there.
Where?
My sister Hannah, Altus Bumblebee. Come on, Hannah. We got a long way. Me and my little sister are here playing.
I don't want to leave you. Don't go very fast. Oh my god.
We are.
No, I'm going inside. How are we going inside?
Oh, great. I'll need the following ingredients. They shall all be hidden somewhere within the classes. Go look.
Only.
Make sure you return to me once all of them are gone. I forgot what he said.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm on my phone.
No, what? Okay.
Oh my god. I'm gonna leave you. Now where am I? What's happening?
So my little sister got lost. So don't eat it yet. Don't eat your potion. I feel like one of them are going to be poisoned because like almost all of them. Or it appears some of my books have gone missing. Could you be so sweet and help me find them?
What do you mean?
Well, thank you. They should be around here somewhere.
I didn't eat my potion.
Make sure to return to me once you find them all.
Oh my gosh. I was just
1/3 of the books found.
I'm not gonna go there.
Where's the last book?
Oh, this one. I like this one. How do I get a book? Only, how do I
Has
get
to be laying in the floor somewhere.
laying in the floor? Oh, laying in the floor.
There we go. I found them all.
Okay.
Professor Afaris, thank you so much, students. Who's feeling a bit hungry? Or who's feeling a little hungry? Let's head back down to the main entrance for dinner. Make your way over to the dining hall.
Where do I go?
Follow everybody. Hannah, go ahead and follow everybody. Hannah, over here. Let's go. Over here. Wow, look at all this deliciousness. Help yourself, grab some food.
I'm sitting on the table. I'm gonna eat some. It's It's annoying.
It's annoying.
Let's go somewhere else. Could you not make those sound?
Okay, we can turn off the volume. Alright, that's enough. I'm sure you're all full now. Off to bed. Over here, Hannah. The dorms are up the stairs and on the right. Head on over there.
Okay. Let me go where everyone is.
Yeah. Come on, Hannah. Back here. Behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah, over here. No. Here. No, stop. Okay, I'm over here. Follow me.
I hope I don't.
Alright, now all the way down the hall. Last door to your left. Wait, isn't this the right bedroom? Alright, students, time to get some sleep. Good night, students.
Oh my. Okay.
1, 2, 3, Rubid. Z. Oh my goodness.
You have to go. You have to hide.
It's a dragon! Stick to the sides and head back to the way. Hannah, where are you? Hannah, where are you?
I don't know where you are. Oh, I died. I went to the wall.
And guys, if I haven't mentioned, I am going to be on America's Got Talent at February 1st, 2020.
I died.
2020. So, yeah. Hope you guys watch season 15 to see me. So excited and really nervous. And the talent that I'm going to be showing is singing. And I am looking for songs that I want to sing. Ooh.
Sound.
The key should be behind a plant pot at the top of the stairs. Someone must go back and get it. I'll go back and get it because I'm literally the only person.
One.
So guys, I'm so really nervous. And yeah, looking for the keys.
Three, two. Yay, we're going.
Oh, I found the key. The key has been found by gaming with friend 0. Yay, I'm the only person.
Did you just go back? Losing.
And here I am, gaming with friends. Is everyone alright? Is my cell phone alright? Is everyone okay? Looks like the dragon has caused the walls to open up, giving us an exit. Come on, let's get out of here. Am I literally talking to myself? Looks like we will have to get through the mad maze. If we make it out of here, we can head to the wizard tower for help. Find a way out.
Finally, I'm here.
Sorry guys, my little sister's in a different server. Because she died, as you know.
We just can't. Where's that book? Oh, I found it.
Let's go. I hope this isn't a dead end. No, it's a dead end.
It's a dead end. Everyone is getting out. I got my potion.
Come on, come on.
I want to be painted.
These planks don't look so safe. You have to choose wisely.
How do I eat my potion? I want to eat
No, I died.
How did you die?
So guys, this is all for today. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll have a part 2. And you guys must stay tuned for the part 2, continuing from where I left off. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. See you guys. Why am I not reading? Bye.